I'm working on this old Atari 2600 and I wanted to use this somewhat newer Atari 7800 to test like the joystick and the cartridges and stuff like that to make sure they're working. So I went to fire this up and see, I get no power. The little LED should come on. Maybe I gotta put a cartridge in. I don't think so, but let's see. No, still getting no action. So I guess I'm gonna have to pull this apart and see what's going wrong with it. Alright, I got the Atari 7800 out of its cabinet and got the shielding taken off so I can take a look at this. And what I found, I was having some power problems, and I still think I may have a bit of a problem with this power cord. It seemed to be cutting out, but the main issue is in these little switches right here. And these are still available. There's somebody online that'll sell them to you, but I've got the main power switch that's dead and the game re-switch that seems to be dead. This one, which is the game select, and this is a game pause, seem to be working okay. You can see I can press this button and the thing will never come on. But what I can do is use a little, just got probably a piece of wire would work, but I'm using a resistor. And if I just touch the contacts, you can see, and then got switch bounce, so sometimes it comes on and goes back off. But there, I got it on, and the game is up and running. Now I can't start it because this button's dead, so I need to use the same little shorting plug here, and if I short it just right, there we go, it'll start the game. So I think, I've already got these on order, so I'll replace all these switches, and if this keeps acting up, I'll replace that, and then the 7800 should be working. Now, one of the controllers is working properly, and this one here, one direction isn't working. So I'll probably need to take these apart, clean them up, and get both controllers working, but that's the next step. New switches. I received my switch order from Console 5. There's the four little Atari 7800 switches, and there's the power cord that I ordered, because I was thinking maybe this power cord was starting to go bad, but actually it seems like it's working okay now. And got the fireball too. So I heat up the soldering iron and start installing these guys. Alright, all the bad switches have been removed, and the new good switches with the little red tops have been added. So I've got a cartridge in, and when you hit the button, the little LED comes on every time. And better yet, the game fires up. Now I was having trouble with the reset light too, so when you hit the reset, the game starts. So there we go. I'll go ahead and put this back in the case and give it one more try, and I think we got a good 7800 again. There we go, 7800's all back together. And so this controller works completely. Unfortunately, this one on the left or the right is bad, so not sure. I might try to take that apart and clean it, but from what I've seen, I haven't had much luck getting those things fixed up. You just have to use this one, I guess. So my problem was a couple of bad switches go underneath here. The power and the reset button were bad. Now the power turns the machine on and off. The reset starts it up. And pause, even pauses it. That's something the 2600 didn't have. There we go. One operational system and another one the 2600 to go.